Ham and cheese omelette by Friendship Menu. Ingredients: eggs, sweet ham, quick melt cheese, salt, ground pepper, and cooking oil. First, crack 3 pieces of eggs in a bowl. Beat the eggs by using a fork. Then add a pinch of salt to taste. In a pan, pour some cooking oil. Then fry 2 pieces of ham chopped into cubes. After frying, set it aside in a separate bowl. Pour more cooking oil into the pan. Then pour the egg mixture and cook it in low heat. Add ground pepper to taste. Add the cooked sweet ham on top of the left side of the egg. Add 24.5 grams of quick melt cheese beside of the ham. And close the omelette by folding the right side of the egg. It's ready to serve. Here's your ham and cheese omelette by Friendship Menu. Thank you for watching!